Hello everyone! Today we're going to look at how to knit the chevron stitch. As you can see here, I have already gotten started. So to do this stitch, you're going to want to cast on in multiples of 8. And this is a 4-row stitch. So we're going to start on the right side here with row 1, and that is going to be starting with a purl 1. Then you are going to knit 3, purl 1, knit 3, and then you're just going to repeat that group of 8 stitches all the way down the row. For our second row, we are now working on the wrong side of our project. You are going to knit 1, then purl 5, knit 1, and purl 1, and you're going to repeat that all the way down. For row 3, we are going to knit 2, purl 1, knit 3, purl 1, and knit 1. Then you're going to repeat that. And then finally for our fourth row, we will purl 2, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 3. And repeat until the end. Once you have repeated those 4 rows, you're just going to, done those 4 rows, then you're just going to repeat it for your desired length. And as you can see, there is the chevron pattern going across. This, as mentioned before, this is not reversible, so there is a front and a back. If you were to do this pattern in the round, so on circular or double pointed needles, the difference would be on your even rows, that basically you would just reverse the purls and the knit stitches. And I'll include a note there about that. And so I hope this is helpful as you're working on your next project. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and have a great day. Bye.